Okay, Dory, we are on our way. Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Darren and I are on Route 66, taking a little trip. When we decided to do Route 66, we had no idea it was a thing. We live near the Santa Fe Trail, and we were talking about doing it, and then Darren said, why don't we do Route 66? And I said, oh, that sounds like fun, and then we found out it's a thing. So we have this doll that I did a face up on. Her name is Ruth 66. She wears pearls like the 1950s when it was Highway 66 was the way to get across America. And of course, we have Daisy with us. Okay, this is for the animal lovers. This is a pet hospital, free belly rubs with exams. Sorry, pets only. And here's the big Brooks ketchup bottle on the old Highway 66. It really is huge. You really can't tell from here. And when I was a kid, we always had Brooks ketchup on the table. Ooh, it's big. Is so cool.
This is Route 66 right here.
Daisy and Ruth are just sitting here having a break in this little Highway 66 gas station. Ruth was going to bring her custom Corvette, but it isn't ready yet. We found this museum along the way, but we're here at Friday morning before 10 o'clock and it's not open. But Ruth sure wishes that her car would have got done. Darren is 3D printing her a Corvette, but someone kept interrupting the print with other things like, oh, I don't know, stands and different things. And that someone might have been me. so her car did not get finished, but you'll see it soon. That is an old Schwinn tandem bike, and you'll notice it's the old style without gears. That was a workout for two people.
Gifts and Gab, huh? Oh, they have passport stamps in Illinois. I didn't know that.
This is the original pavement for Route 66, which went across America. There are songs galore in the 50s about Dead Man's Curve and all kinds of Highway 66 songs, plus the old Chevrolet commercial. See the USA in a Chevrolet.